Hi, I'm Cameron Chola, and I'm the U.S. rep for Nasiol in Michigan. And today, I would like to introduce the latest in ceramic coating technology, Nasiol PPF Guard. This is the product we've all been waiting for, giving your paint protection film up to 18 months worth of ceramic coating protection. Now, I know what you're thinking. What is PPF Guard? Well, PPF Guard is a flexible nano coating that protects your paint protection film and vinyl wraps from various factors such as color fading, bird etchings, chemical damage, which is going to extend the life of your paint protection film for up to 18 months. You also receive hydrophobic, easy to clean properties, as well as 9H protection, and that's not even the best part. PPF Guard does not block self-healing abilities from the paint protection film whatsoever. It's like magic in a bottle.
Nasiol PPF Guard is recommended for professional detailers, with no special equipment required. The contents with PPF Guard package includes
An applicator block, 50 milliliters of PPF Guard ceramic coating, suede applicator cloth, microfiber towels, nitrile gloves, and a Nasiol sticker. If water spots appear on the PPF, lightly polish the film with Nasiol 505. This will also help remove any contaminants left after washing. We like to start out using a heat gun on all areas that have the paint protection film. This will remove any minor scratches or swirling that might be in the film due to improper washing methods. We then move on to our next step, which is to properly prep and clean all surfaces to ensure no oil or residue is left after the polishing stage is done. We start off by using Nasiol 10 APC Pro to clean the wheels and calipers, which is a great product to cut through hardened brake dust and bring back a slick finish. Afterwards, we move on to prepping the paint using Nasiol Clean, which is an amazing product to decontaminate the paint and improves the bonding performance of the ceramic coating product. It is very easy to use. Just lightly spray the surface and wipe using a clean microfiber cloth. You may start applying Nasiol PPF Guard ceramic coating. Place the suede cloth onto the applicator block. Begin pouring an essential amount of product onto the suede cloth. About 8 to 10 drops of product is the perfect amount. Don't forget to close the lid or the product will harden. Apply the coating in sections, ensuring to apply with crisscross patterns so you don't miss a spot. Wait for the product to flash or bead. Takes about 30 seconds in normal conditions. Wipe off excessive product gently using Nasiol microfiber cloth in linear motions. Complete by buffing gently with a second Nasiol microfiber cloth and throw away suede cloth after 3 to 4 panels. Once complete, allow the coated surface to cure for 60 minutes by keeping the vehicle away from direct sunlight, dust, water, and contaminations. Repeat the application process for the second layer after the 60-minute cure is complete. Once the second layer is complete, allow the coated surface to cure for 24 hours by keeping the vehicle away from direct sunlight, dust, water, and contaminations. After the 24-hour curing is complete, you may take the vehicle outdoors, but refrain from any vehicle washing for the first 48 hours.